Right, you see, in Abba, you do digital world, and no one can for Samsung Nokia 3310 or because everything is about computer. Now, when you see such a big school, that's a computer anymore. Then I just say, now, me them call ICT lab one. You can show your way inside. Aha, and ICT lab. Our Great Minds International School. You can inside me and shadi. A young Kolane wa Baura say Wheezy picture and about say Wheezy full of computers. Main kind of can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I think a peninsula to number 10. But pray my better idea. Means on one I'm so okay. I have say opening because I know the same.
Sir Percy.
Sir Percy. Now, my better say ICT room. I see. Then I will.
Me pacho me na me tutor e school more for ICT. I'm a man crying in the bebre. For computer, where I and we are see a corner. BBI computer. Tiaja men so ma fa to mo se me boa mo fra se de be ya almost betimi adi dwuma soronko e wo internet so ene nema nti se wo ba ase a wo hwa a ye nkura na meka se ene wo mko mo anim pa ko dwumadi nkura ne de computer edi wo school mo ano in fact e hye nkura e ko anim pa yi
na yen hwe ebimu wo be as low as 3, 4, 5, 6 years. Now you train your computer. How difficult is this for one cassette teaching?
Any difficult because any pansana ubetu na mo bibi hono. Now one wunim dia wo ye ansana ubetu sana man watu na mono because baby ame shase no se me fan kra na me do mo kwa me ni baby ame do mo ko enti nkran ketwa sa no untimi fo mo ko shase mfiri baby bia age se wo fo mo free enketwa mo na do mo basa enti eduru baby a omo standard o betimi di computer na ye adwuma ne de o betimi de se de bia a wo fo nso be hu se ni sika a wo tua no omre enwui
wo junior high school for so anim say o training omo
me pa cho me
pa cultural exams say yen expecting results being from
so far there make I say Wheezy Empire nkra there me say obi abenya A1 because omaye we the form 2 for no o matro exam makoma ensa ni nyina no ofa compute na say eye ICT na nkra no omu nyina obi anya 111 a eye manage sempa say me nkra me do omo kwa cultural exams na obi a ebenya say na e enimonyam she be school no
yen hwe with the computer knowledge awo odi edwuma me show classroom ya full of ties o fans e ball come won so ekodisi ni kwa na wo ya de me asembe na o kache modwuma wura kojo enkansa le win about education ono kasa wan ko school me yen interview no so no we class 1 nti o tuma bedu school say asembe na o kache yenu no
de mekanya nse nyankopon inshira no na onto ne nkwanem na o ma no kwatenten ko ye hwedwumadia ye director edia esombo papa da bia obeba bia no wura ha se na ho te se na nema ekosei ye bo modern se ye bema emofra no nimdie bia wo se ombenya bia o try se ono so beboa se da bia se wantimi anko bi kura na obeboa afoforo ama wo mo so benya nimdie bebrebe wo computer no because ye hwe ye computers e wa ha ya eye 10 by ye the rest of the computers ni bi wa ha we are trying to fix it mama ye ho adwuma next time no ye be set up tables bebrebe e wa ha no mebo ankura no aside that we hear say ye table net e wa ha kese ye full internet access with the CCTV cameras around the whole square e bo ama with the ye ICT facilities in the make say e perfect e wo school mo anti ye da ye nwa ye wura akodun kan say ye director Wheezy killer ye da na powered fefa wa ya ma ayinkroman
yes we da wa ICT teacher ye computers no kan no de omo de aba foforo ne gu ase na nye sa say o wa ye ho adwuma nyina ewie next time no mo ba we ni ade a omo ba be fix na de ho adwuma na ye nhwe Wheezy ehun ni say internet ebu wi ase nti we ena ye ni internet a wo school anim say ya ICT teacher no e bo ho ban now aside obon ho ban ni nyina no e ade nso a we make sure say obi bia enya CCTV cameras everybody school anim say ya better like say oba school anim say ya he or she is well protected school no. This is Great Minds International School. Asia you know, one of the finest radio presenters we have in the country. But one table for one team in Yejuma. Maybe I don't commission on say the bro for the we see radio say as our name we dey come. Tina and me watching.
Measures mania.
Na you show dem pan do we pay offense so ahin Great Minds International School.
I think saying him say you Kojo Nkansah when the school no more speech and prize giving day.
Yeah.
It was short notice, but almost kind. I mean, you no nice. Was some maybe supporting. They want some the support to be an instead of Abeju.
Okay. You say speech and prize giving day now buy so support it.
Exactly.
Wow. I love that too. But you know, when you say buy ya school. Me the last time I buy now for the second phone or Uba will be school. Uba describe school saying.
This is the very first time I made buy.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, my who pictures, new videos near it, but this is the first time I buy. And when I got here and I realized, I said, no, Charlie, it's a huge investment is made. And if only your showbiz and answer people in creative arts,
they were supporting her.
Exactly, commit to it. It will really help because. Me the interviews be no because I mean create fees or charging and then it's more like just giving back to society. So I just hope say people will support him and push the whole idea about institution. They say a man for because knowledge is power.
Sure.
And in these days, this one thing about power there's one you have a problem. So I think it's important to be supported. This is a very big. I mean, it's a huge thing. Last one. Oh, said the actual say a guest dormitory. A man who toilet 3, bathrooms 4, and no hostel so 4 rooms. And men man who toilet 2, bathroom 2, and almost one another 4 rooms. Meaning say next year no. Boarding. And I mean, sorry, Obia. I mean, if you ever slept in the boarding house, you know how it helps with incredible development near this. So it's a very good thing away. And for me, I'm just praying so stay focused because running a school and an institution is easy. So for him to stay focused and the managers and all that, and to be put their best into it. Some say, oh, yeah, celebrity being here, but they're making sure that the entire setting school they attain that. For me, there is a good investment, it's a good thing done by Kojo Nkansah, and I would applaud him for every effort putting into this one.
Yeah, confirmed by NYDJ. Wait, or true story at the internet as well. Google creating says, and then 7 I would try. That is NYDJ for who for me the Maule Pepito be for me. I brought the big mouth. Bogoso this year back up. There were Great Minds International School. I feel ye be speech and prize giving day nasi. Minister beba ho, ahemfo beba ho, wizi nagasa beba ho, me abro beba ho. They go here and bra. Ebusuan be da so me wo Great Minds International School. Kojo Nkansah when school no. Aha, and a conference center. Why the amount kola na wo school no no. Aha ya no msanso de ya sorry a asofo ba ebe preaching kola no. Now, when you check the walls, where you low in Nkansah ni pictures are. You did designing inside then fully air conditioned, new air conditioner. You know, the conference center, Samsung the church room. All these pictures, Kojo Nkansah win, and I actually about Wizzy Empire. About the conference center, how say this conference center, yeah, they between first school kolani nina. About sorry, so for penny begina say preach say be your meetings be say in school kolani here. Our phone banner say no PTA meeting. Aha, and yes I didn't know. So this is our brother Kojo Nkansah win. Now, what Nyami or don't know. So I show the office I do call Jesus picture. About conference center so about 3 or 4 Jesus pictures. Now let's turn back and see. Say the inside there say the city. Me see baby and Nambia ya 2000. Jayana would do near show from the amami. So this is the conference center. And a Kojo Nkansah win. Why you diama the school kolano? In case you PTA parent teachers association here meeting and on betina no more ye. Same kolano ye pese communina bomb advice you be a COVID abe you told me for about COVID. About HIV, a man or more GHS, you know, they're trying to be for about teenage pregnancy. This is where we bring them. And you know, sometimes, you know, they go in what TV so the Chem Kolano. It will ban them say, your TVs 1, 2, 3, and a baha. More telling me, I say, Mubenya, TV was so I say, Monson better, Oba say TVs near 2 Nabakuba say, and a Bacoso about say. And suddenly I say about the last war next year saying so a house another TV yeah the man will hanum say so that this is and the conference center. It is a Uber inside the say is full of Lewin pictures on the acrobat to the Bako on no performing on name the guys in theater for the performing. Now we have Lewin and Sarkodie a picture one we say yeah Lewin Samin ni Kevin Boy ewo hanum sei ye wo Lewin ni Shatawale ewo hanum sei sani ye wo Lewin ani binua Stone Boy efo ewo ha ye wo Lewin ni Kwame Eugene so bo honum and I mean couple of artists that Lewin ni omo ayejuma omo pictures ebobo hanum sei another air condition ewo ha now with the conference room no we having like 6 different air conditions say the be so enkwade nkola no emam ko fire bia mfamba so this is Great Minds International School Kojun Council Lewin the school wo bi ewo offenso ahinkuro ni krom se wo fi ni krom o school fees less otimiji as low as 1.5 that's 150 Ghana cedis for the whole time owo fi ni krom nko ade and there is speech and prize giving day at the mass school we see you be call ni akwakodin kom ni ahwe se dia awofo no nkola na sitie abusua bidin de mawule pepito obi afre me abro the big mouth nothing but the truth I mean perfect videos that's why I'm here to present to you Yentwaso right ebusia madam winyina se madam wasepa na mesre se bomode na subscribe the channel na share for mama unu abe ma mawule pepita bro the big mouth bogo so this year and I want him to drink on Sunday wo hwe me life mini minua be ma na edu na ehia wa anu se na edu obi sam say school mu de e fa no ho ben sabi obitimi bodan so na apa obitimi sidan na ebu na edu ensa wo school mu bi okomo mu si school dan ye school ni ye school ankase ye na yenhwe ono no ade poti o ye de ma school no na na te sen
na menadom
e de yakopon ase na yenhwe Great Minds International School o chefe wo mi ye den
oh they say me ya carpenter ni me na mbe board school dan so no na me school no me na mbe boss me na mbe boss me na mbe boss
wow
the sounds of Philadelphia ni okay adomba ne me adom dan na wo ho ni nyina the team ne abrosan ni nyina me na second chance adom chedua Philadelphia ma ene ye kwadwonso ye Philadelphia ba enti na ye say papa e ma me ba na mbe na dwuma ne ma no se de bibia be pepe
ba why dwuma ne kama pa o me dem ka so mo de kofuru ko fi China na be ye o
me pa cho da bi Ghana ha ya
dwuma wo ye no no
carpenter dwuma na me
ye so bi hwame a me na mfo abrochi da mu si dan na adom so mboso a na mu hia nkofo a o betimi abodan no so na de ama omo so bi hia se ko bon dan so na me the contract no bo be ya ma no
me ye pa
a dance no bo a dance nko na bo na
se dance fro epunu team self construction carpenter ho
dwuma de yetimi ye right ebusia for mo a eya mo frame se mempe obi mamo na onye mo carpenter dwuma ne mesi dwuma no we de menya carpenter ni we ye Kojun Council Lewin ono a ne nimpo ne ye dwuma nche nyo bia obetimi de yesika edi dwane na asoro no mo kɔ no gidi ewo mu no bibia nkom so mu dwana se mempo na me die nim sika na mana kai se onko bebia wa oni bebia continue na mo a musi mu fie mu wie no emfa won bebia fie no wo se wo Ghana nko ade a me ne be kɔ ho na akoye estimate di amount utimi tua na ma hwe na wa ye wodwuma nyina ade amount opini yen show school we see Kojun Council Lewin e wa so ebe on ne ko school emra ye kacho se be bo school no so no adwene be na wunya fa Kojun
me angaza first day na mbepia ha no na I surprise me if you say na matis we be school but me buy no na me hu nti me be hu na me ka tell say killer yenso ya the friend na ye killer mo no ani ati say wa ben be hu so the killer enti me yana me say killer nya me ahye wani monyam de nyankopon de ehwe mu no wonso wa hye na monyam ama obi hu enkola ne manfo bebre ebi fritachiman me kra na me wa ha ye bodan ne so no ntafo mu fritachiman mo se nye Kojo school mo nko school bia mo bia school mo se mo nko ma maame mo e de mu fritachiman ba ha because say ono nso dwene enkola e da ache ho nti na ye se me nso me ba na me bia ye adwuma pa ma no
dos ne wa wona osisi
da bi dos no de
ba ne ne esiewi
ne esisi ana mo no anso ye China dos nso nti ye no de Messi ni na wo ha no wi afi
bo nan no so woni Kojo ntem usika sem won sisiwu wan shedan bu komso mi no rekwa so ntimi ntua oka
kila de se me ka se ya if say wono eduru se bia obekọ ba bi ne ayi a o ho na afredu bla ska de be ma no je se me ka se bia se kura na onfama me a nka de me kan no ka bia minyasa aha but wo ho no ma na killer ai edu jiwe enti na ama mi hu de menye
edan no boss da be na mfama be paso
eti say ye nyina ye free ase ya obi e ni ho
ase na so apa edu anu we ya ho this ye nyina free ase na dan so but edu make say why ejuma but me sure bo say mema onyuma bebraye na de me se on se me de ejuma no mawa eyenkofo bi ejuma na meji de amanya me media
na hu sa
make sure say obeye no waye ni say de be ye china mesiaje wo for de ama edu ye be ko asem na o ka kire musofo eni Kojo Nkansah wen
asem ba ade meka ne say yen papa Stephen Adum Chedua the voice of God enam ne so ena mam di hu Kwadwo ena nam ono so na Kwadwo di hu me enti de bia mekwa akoye adwuma bia no me de me hu adanse ne nwom na meto no asore ba bia ama sesei mo no a me no mu ya adwuma bia nkramofo ne ye sei mo no a e ba asore no enti ba bia me gina me nam bia no me bo papa din ene na ho blase because of say empempempem no ohwe ye wo enso ohu ne wo ya akola wo ye hwan ye obekoto enti ese ye nso ye hwe no yenso ye sua no se de be ya Philadelphia busuaku no ebetra ko wi ase man nyina na kila nso wo men na ana wo ba bia na wo be ka sem foforo se wo ben no a ye adwuma a ye ne na na daha so wahu ye ne na na wa ha bronze wakoto dwane no waba mumlo ni ni di nyina ye ne na ensa dema ye didi
eso nkyere no ho
dabi omla ye ne tete ha no mo ye ne na wa ahakra de first no nye task ni nwie ye ne the blanket na set platform ne so ana ye da obi on mana yakoda school dem ho no ase ho so no nko ba obekọ ba bia na okọ set so okọ no ba na jo 11 kra ni nyina ne wa ahomblase na wo no me bom pa ye Nyankopon mana ahomblase ne san no mfa nko enkosi ye Nyankopon no apɛ e wona brabum
na nedu ye da super Nyankopon yo kese right ebusu mi din de ma wo le Peter ye ko video no famra me da wasi. It's time say we call speech and prize giving the answer. But yen share yenu abema Kojo Nkansah wen on any new manager any messenger or ne boy no oni Kojo messenger ni ansana yenu na nedu yen hwe Kojo Nkansah wen ni new manager wasan ni da ho we ni efe ni manager no eno ne afi penifo kala wen ho a ye de ne ko park no so na yakwakoye the speech and prize giving day and Great Minds International School etebusua ye free school no mu na ye ko park no so na yakwakohwe what exactly is going to happen there. Ghana Education Service is paying for by expect Dr. Napo ho you expect MP or constituency mu ho nom afi celebrities akese nyina so ebe ba show na se ya ye nua be ma Kojo Nkansah Great Minds International School Great Minds adwenia emudwa eson ni international school and you never ma Kojo Nkansah win and they are speech and prize giving. So whilst up picking a car now walk on you himself when on one driver and you say will be a chino on one driving the car couldn't be into any management a similar marco abronso within a china fe ya could do school park and so they are here cost so tell for you free and see na you park and some here the ecoso now witness okay mini madishia nearby me dofo pa e friend Hana Mawuli Ekpesapon and I wish we need to me am hu Peter Mawuli Ekpesapon. These are my two channels. Tell me yanko to your car na yanso yanante so ade ase yes yes the etieno muni abema abro the big mouth bogo so this year and me mom this report you know yenu abema Kojo Nkansah win and they do and our speech and prize giving day e dey ama ni school no enti ye finish school no mo a ye dey eni e dey a kire offenso ahenkuro park no so e wona dwumedi na Nkasa no ba abekoso enana prayer na ye dey share so nkwala beka poems na ade nkwala bejeje awards na ade wonum no wo yenu abema Kojo Nkansah win e betu akese ade a wabon ho modern ayade pa to the extent say school ya we see sebi enye obi bia na be nhu sa adwini say memfa school say emfa nkomi krom nso ru ani timi bibi say dia na say ye de abasobode e de ma yenu abema Kojo Nkansah win to be here Wizzy 1 normal plate ni Wizzy 116 no Kojo Nkansah Lewin and on the manager the new manager on a signing contract no ono no work no money penning for a cano nti ye ni eche ahinkro offense ahinkro Kojo Nkansah Lewin ni krom eho na ne sukui ewo nti meka kire mo say busua odo kwan so na ye pese mu nyina mo de support no e de tie ye nua be ma nechi bomodien na for ba breast school mu bomodien abro the big mouth bogo so this year back up message say subscribe video na share mami comment misro be say o share video ma video cover e ko bibia ma obi anya bi say de be ya mranche esiso no nyame body so enyi ska ye betimi e de aboa ye kuro enti Great Minds International School a penny for and a idiomonima ye nyomo eko jumedi na say we expecting Ghana Education Service in penny for the education minister expecting ohene ewo offensive kroimu yes expecting MP MC in penny for nyina no we expecting them say omobeba na omabeka yensa asunwie mu tebusua eni abesi offensive main road no so afeni edi eni edi kire offensive park no ankasa so nti yanko na yanko hwe dwumedie no sede ebeba so enda me no ekase ebusu me din de mawule pepito bia frame abro the big mouth bogo so this year back up yene yenua Kojo Nkansah Lewin ena etu anamon we see na yede akọ offenso ahinkro eye school park no so eho na dwumedie eko akokoso nti o hwa yesi offenso main road na eko Kumase no ena yede ene di akire na yakọ school park no so na afidie yede dwumedie no akọkọhyehyɛ so ede ama ebusuani nyina ene ye behwe a yenua Kojo Nkansah Lewin Wizzy ena yede no eko park no so ebusuya msrew pa say video subscribe share na comment and family ya ba bedu park no so aha e betwetwe nkomo ye ne awofo no ebedi nkomo ye ne school fo no bebre na ebe kasa na afi ya hwe anamon a eye Kojo Nkansah Lewin we to dem no kro no say eye ade omo no so eye ade papa ede mom so Wizzy ene no ababedu school park no so no na ye bana ye bedru say na aya na manfo be so mu so what exactly is happening and a speech and prize giving day ye nua bema Kojo Nkansah ye nua bema no na ababedu no Lewin ene ni penifo na so far omo ababedu school no say no ntino ebusia unia bema abro the big mouth bogo so this year message say bomodian na subscribe channel na share famame say de be ya de ekosu bia no wankasa ubehu ne live eti yenua bema Nkansah ababedru a afebusuan obesi na wanante carpet no so na yehu say eyade a ende speech and prize giving day no eyade a eba so live ewo offenso ahinkro nti ehonum ena ya babedru no me ne okase Kojo Nkansah Lewin Nkansah ababedru a afi na ebusuan ye try say be share Kojo na Lewin wetimi wabe fa ni green park carpet ni so edi ebusuafo se ugusu awo hwa unua be ma abro the big mouth bogo so this year and I won't komo ende me wo offenso ahinkro and asisia me wo no